What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we gonna be doing some deer smoked sausage, y'all. It's so good and tasty. We had some with cheese, some without. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. Each spice will be added by a tablespoon or a teaspoon. That's all y'all need. Y'all just need these two. So we're gonna start off with our salt. So we need 1 tablespoon of salt per pound. Oh yeah, y'all. This is 70-30 ground beef. And of course, that ground deer. 2 pounds each, y'all. 2 pounds each. So we got 4 pounds here. So that got that together. Next, we're gonna go in for our rosemary. Since it's also going to be using the tablespoon. And we're going to get 4 tablespoons of our dried rosemary. Now with our minced onion, we're going to go to our teaspoon. And we're going to be using 4 teaspoons of minced onion. Now we got our curing salt. Salt cure number 1. And we only need 2 tablespoons of this. 2 teaspoons of this. Teaspoons. So it's a half a teaspoon per pound. So now for our cayenne, because you know, you gotta have a little cayenne in your sausage. We're gonna do a half a teaspoon of that also per pound. So 2 teaspoons. Ground mustard, 1 teaspoon per pound. So what we doing today, that's 4 teaspoons. And now we're coming in with a little bit of allspice. Now this spice can be strong, so we're going to do a half a teaspoon per pound. And now all we got left is our thyme. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons
of thyme, which would be a half a teaspoon per pound.
So yeah, y'all. Now all we gotta do is mix it up. Now you wanna mix this really well. You wanna mix this for approximately about 15 minutes usually. Now if you have a stand mixer that you can use, that'll be even better, y'all. But this is what we want it to look like when we get done. Good and tacky. So now let's go ahead and put our machine together. And of course, this is straight out the freezer, y'all. You want it to be cold, ice cold when you start. So we have our all natural casings here. So we're gonna get that loaded up on our machine. And we're gonna start making our sausage, y'all. Making our sausage. Now of course, once you get the whole thing on, you just tie up the end and you ready to roll. Sausage making time. Now I've done this on video before, so I ain't want to take you through all that. And this is what we got when we got done making all our sausage. But if you want to check out a video on how to load the machine and everything with the sausage casing and how to push it through, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments, y'all. But anyway, now to the smoker, y'all. We're going to get into that smoker. So once we get all our sausage in our smoker, we're gonna let these smoke until we reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees. So let's give this a test, see where we at. And oh yeah, y'all, we ready. We ready. So this is what our sausage is looking like when it's all done. All smoked up and looking pretty. Look at that color on that sausage, y'all. But anyway, let's cut one open. And oh yeah, look at here, y'all. We got us a cheese one here. Now if you want cheese in yours, you use the exact same recipe, just add as much cheese as you would like in your sausage. That's all. And oh yeah, it was tasty, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.